Welcome to the vlog. I'm finna make coffee and toasted bread. Yeah? Oh, alright then.
Alright guys, I've always wanted to vlog this part and I've never gotten to. Grandma always oil grandma feet. Anybody that oil our foot for her. So either me or if mama did it. But because I've been living here now, so me always oil our foot for her and put on her stocking when she go church. And the thing is, I was like, I don't know if I should show this clip or not, but it's what I do every, all the time for grandma.
Alright guys, I'm in the kitchen. So I'm going to be making the Star Beauty for mama. Is a weight loss, but it's detox. So it burns fat, speeds up metabolism, and it revitalizes you. It's 100% natural, but it also detoxes, and that's what I'm going to be making for mama to detox. So it's 1 tea bag, but I'm gonna do about 3 because with this the tea bag it now make you like doodle to try it. I know not even work immediately. 1 tea bag, take a minute. 2 a little bit faster, but I'm gonna do 3. So shout out to Star Beauty, they sent this to me, so shout out to you guys. As you guys know, I'm no longer using ISOT. I don't sell it anymore, but if my link still works, but I don't promote it anymore. So for those of you who are asking, if I still do ISOT, no, I haven't taken anything TLC, no energy, no, not all. When I do, I will definitely record it so that you guys can have like a really good timeline of everything that I'm saying. My honey,
The way that you leave me, keep me in your headspace. And creeping in the night, keeping me in the back lane. Hate it when you leave and you're taking my time. Leave me alone for the rest of the night. Some things they have the upper hand in my mind, running me around thinking that you're mine. Always put me down when you have a finger pointing at me. Always put me down when you...
Sir, it's the direct please, producer. Please let them know. Yes, I flew all the way from England to get my makeup done on my birthday. And I chose you. You make sure you let them know.
she's so romantic.
You want my body, but not my mind. So used to this face shade all the time. Wish you could see that it's hard to find. Understand how it feels just to one time. Always put me down when you have a finger pointing at me. Always put me down when you have a finger pointing at me. Why you lie to me? I don't know why you lie.
Hey guys, today is the 8th of November. Happy November 8th. I've been trying to, thank you Jesus, I've been trying to vlog. I think I've said this before, but I have some news for this, so I just want to make this really clear. I don't like wearing clothes. They're uncomfortable. They're close to your body. It's like skin, but not skin. I'm like, is it skin or not? But it's whole crinkly skin, so jeansy skin, tightsy skin, shortsy skin, topsy skin, tube topsy skin. But yeah, so I have to film content today, to be honest. I woke up yesterday because I didn't have the boys yesterday morning. I was like, bet I'm gonna film. No, I just slept. So I've been taking that and I've been sleeping. I've been uploading later, which has been making me breathe easier. So you will be getting later uploads like after 6, because it makes, so if I don't film content for the day, I have time. That's good. I'm just, I hope I don't sound like but I just feel really, really good. And I'm so excited. I was something that I have for you guys that I want to share with you. But we're going to hold off on that information because I got the confirmation, so I'm waiting for something else to happen. When that happens, then I can share with you this information. But it's pretty cool. And I thought it was going to be way more expensive because that was my issue. I don't want it to be expensive. I want it to be in the same price point. So that's what it's going to be, and I'm really, really excited. I'm excited. I'm nerve-sighted, to be honest, but excited nonetheless. So he said she had everything, before she met me, or so it seemed, but she saw me, and before she saw the money. So I'm going to be speaking on something that you probably don't want to talk on, but it's like red flags in relationships, right? Is it obviously I'm just waking up? It's like red flags in relationships. But so you know how you have all these YouTube videos talking about red flags and how to how to come out of a relationship, how to know he's not the one for you, she's not the one for you, they're not the one for you. So people want to know. They can't express to know how much are you alone know say this might be enough for you. Because the red flags, the red flags, and I'm putting it in air quotes because red flag is a very general term now. If somebody says something what them not like, that a fit them red flag. But it all depends upon you, because someone will treat woman good, mama say them call you yammed, So so when we treat the man too good, we are yammed, and when the man treat we too good, then he might idiot or in veggie whipped. So it really depends on you. For me, I should have paid closer attention. And the reason why we don't pay closer attention and we kind of say, oh, I should know, is because we didn't know that we had so much to fear. Well, I'm sorry, I didn't know that I had so much to fear. I didn't know that I just didn't know. Something was introduced to me initially and I believed it. 1, 2, the cult that I was in, that was a breeding ground. That's what they worship, marriage. If you're not married, within some churches here in Jamaica, you're considered like the underdog of the congregation. People who are married, the Mrs. and the Mr., that has weight in the Christian community, and that is what they cling to in the Christian community, what I recognize. When I was going to church every single Sunday now, them the Bible says me sit upon praise and worship. Yeah. So what it boiled down to was that I had to value myself enough to leave. And when you recognize the value, it's going to be probably like a short realization, but there will be that whisper or that breath of peace, like when I think about not being with them, you feel peace, like, oh, it's going to be fine. And then after that peace, because it's going to leave, the chaos starts again. But what kept me and what solidified in then fine, I'll leave, is the peace that I had. And that's the only thing that I can tell whether or not it's a red flag, is that peace. Looking back, the proposal was absolute shit. He didn't buy any of the rings. I had to buy all of them. I'm sure they were on eBay and eBay. Come never use Amazon, eBay. But like the value of the ring or whatever, that never meant anything to me. Maybe because I couldn't afford anything else. So I just buy some $30 ring from eBay. Yeah, so that was on. And then on the wedding day was a huge red flag when he was really upset because everybody was paying me attention. And that came out of his mouth. And watching the whole Tia Mary situation, it just feels narcissistic to me. Because even the stuff that she has been talking about, just her language, how she's choosing to express herself, she's doing it for her. When you hear a woman says that she's doing it for her, it means that it has not been done for her in a good amount of time. I don't say years or months, but yeah, she has reached her tipping point because she has been trying. even with the interviews, just how they speak. People will release themselves to you just by how they act, and you watch them in, like with the celebrities in interviews, the body language, and they will tell you. So them say it wasn't cheating, and that not hard to believe. I like that hard to believe, but it wasn't cheating. It wasn't cheating. The things that's been happening and coming up, and the things, it feels similar because she's choosing not to say much, and she's just all about herself. Bro, when a woman is all about herself in a dog, and she has kids, and she doesn't need you. You know how difficult it is to have just one blouse and skirt, pick me and Fraser one, somebody that buy your heart. But I can imagine have 2, 3, and 4. The red flags, baby, you know. And you need to leave. It can mash you up. Your mental health is deteriorating. You wake up with panic attacks. Those are demonic attacks, by the way, just so you know. Panic attacks are like beautiful, like perfect, like mwah, in a pinch demons. Beautiful. Perfectly executed. I know I've been yeah. It's effective. You know the red flags, baby. You know how you've been feeling. The only thing that you're probably warring with right now is the fact that you have to leave and be by yourself. But honey, it's just better being with the person and feeling how you're feeling, or not being with the person and being happy, at peace, at least sleeping. At least you can at least fall asleep. Because somehow we can't even fall asleep.
Swipe up, tag your friends, like and subscribe, comment below. If I make this follow, don't let this flop, wait till the end, like for part 2. I'm going viral, Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah, we be getting it in. Virtual swigs, virtual lit, I'm getting turned with my friends. Everything virtual now, but just wait till then. Hit me when it's happy hour all day. Me and my bees go sour, looking good in PJs. That's my superpower. Growing out all my hair, working on my self-care. This time we got rare, I'ma do it up with flair. Cause what a time to be alive. We can still link while we're inside. Zoom in and hit me with the invite. But when this thing is over, we gon' get in life. Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah, we be getting it in. Virtual swigs, virtual lit, I'm getting turned with my friends. Everything virtual now, but just wait till then.
Until we back in action, I'm posted like I'm in traffic. It's tragic the way they trick them, terrifically working magic. Finally ain't no traffic, a break from chemical plastics. Burning buds to the ashes, we virtually getting blasted. Bow.
Cause what a time to be alive.
My digger.
We can still link while we're inside. Zoom in and hit me with the invite.
Okay.
But when this thing is over, we gon' get in life.